Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Thursday the 30th of October and I took one trade today. It was a break even on my Express and no trades on my new combine. Yesterday I blew my combine that I had. I got a new one straight after and took one trade and made 1.1k. But coming into today then, I was happy that we were leaving all-time high. I wanted to see either for us to come up and catch a short down, if we just went up at open, catch a short from here, to target for us to go down to like previous day low, or to go down first and then catch a long. We did go down first, but I wanted to see us reaction early off of either previous day low with an SMT, preferably, or this in this 4 hour gap and sweep this low. But we did not. We went down lower. Let's see here. Whoops. So I marked out this gap on ES like this. We didn't touch the gap. Let's see what kind of low that is. Okay, so we did have a bullish SMT with this low then, which ES took. So we had a bullish SMT in the higher time frames right here, but I wanted to go lower. When we came here, we just whipped out this low, which could have been a sign that we were going to reverse, but I wanted to see us come into this 4 hour really and for ES to tap into the gap. But we did sweep this low within this 4 hour, so maybe it was just too picky of me. But also the delivery was not good here in the beginning. No real entry for me, since I want to see us like come down, make a low, make a fake out up, go down, resweep that low with momentum to create a bearish rally gap, or at least structure so that we can then make the cyst and go up. That didn't happen here. It's just choppy here, as you can see. Then we get momentum. The only real entry I could have seen, because I think we have a lower time from SMT as well. Yeah, we do have a lower time from SMT, this one as well, but yeah, to me price is just quite choppy here, but we do come down here and tap this 30 second, which we respect, then we get momentum up and make the cyst right there. So this is the only possible entry I could have seen right here. Then stop loss right there. To target, I would have probably, because right here my bias was actually to go down lower. Oops. So I probably would have targeted only like the 0.5 level. Would have been very bad RR. But I couldn't really have seen myself target anything more. Maybe could have had SL at that internal low, but still quite bad RR, honestly. But this trade wasn't much better RR either way, and they could have targeted here, but I wasn't too confident in this draw really, because I want to see us go lower. Whoops. But I didn't take that. I didn't think price was clean here, and I did not want to take that. Instead, I was waiting for us to come into like this 5 minute up here and the 0.5 level of this range to then catch a continuation short, like my Trinity model. The continuation trade, but that did not happen. We just ran through here. So, and then once we ran through here, ES was a lot higher. My idea was to catch a continuation long instead, because now my bias was bullish. So I want to see us come down here to catch a long. However, we did run up. We came into this 30 minute. We did not have an SMT, which was the bad thing about this trade, and maybe I shouldn't have taken it because we didn't have an SMT, but otherwise I like this trade a lot. It was 10 a.m. exactly. We got momentum up, came into the 30 minute bearish here. But like I said, we had no SMT, but then we go down. We disrespect this 30 second, and that is when I enter. And I had a very early break even right here, because here we sweep these internal lows and come into the 5 minute bullish rally up. So I kind of knew this was going to go BE, but it was worth a shot in my opinion, because I was also very certain we were going to at least go down here. So it was worth a try. However, it did go BE, but if I didn't go BE, full TP would have hit. Oops, as you can see. But I still think it's a valid BE in my opinion. Once we tap into the 5-minute circus, we could very well just run up. So I'm not mad about that BE, even though it would have been a TP trade. So here we came down and I realized we were building liquidity to the upside. So I was waiting for a continuation long here, like I said here earlier. Once we come into this 5 minutes, I was waiting for a continuation long, but price was just choppy and I was realizing all of this was just fake out. So no reason to try to take a trade here. Better price today than it has been for the these past few days, but still this long was very hard to enter or get an entry in my opinion. This short kind of choppy got stopped out and yeah, no continuation long. So no, and this short you couldn't have possibly taken really in my opinion. So nothing hard to find entries, but at least we're starting to move a bit and make a little bit more sense. And I'm hoping we can continue going lower and stay off of all-time high, because trading all-time high kind of sucks. And I honestly think we are gonna go lower. It has been due to get a little retrace. But yeah, that was the trade recap for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.